Last week I counted. Between waking up and lunch, I talked to 11 people, replied to the group chat, sent 3 memes, answered a "you good" with "yeah, lol," liked a picture of somebody's dog I have never met. 11 people. And when I sat down to eat, I had this weird feeling. Nobody on that list knows how I'm actually doing. Not one. If your phone is full of people and you still feel low-key invisible, this one's for you. And look, this is not a delete every app and live in the woods video. Your phone didn't make you lonely. That's lazy, and it's not true. This is about something sneakier, the difference between contact and being known. So here's a normal Tuesday. My phone's going crazy. Badges and badges, little red numbers fighting for their lives. And in my head, my social brain is hosting a party. Every notification is a guest. One guest knows my meme taste, elite level curator. One guest knows I have a streak going. We have never discussed anything else. We never will. One guest knows my coffee order, but could not pick my last name out of a lineup. And I'm working the room, a slightly different version of me for every guest. Funny me over here, professional me over there, yeah, lol me everywhere. Social brains wearing 6 host badges, introducing me to more people. Bro, we don't need more guests. We need one quiet corner where somebody asks a real question and waits for the real answer. Because grab any guest at that party and ask, what is this guy carrying right now? Blank faces. They know the highlight reel. Nobody's seeing the footage. And I know how this sounds. You have people who are like, what are you complaining about? That's the worst part of this kind of lonely. Built-in shame. Like I'm ungrateful for my own contact list. So let me say it plain, because the research backs it. Loneliness is not about how many people you talk to. It's about whether you feel understood by any of them. The World Health Organization dropped a whole report on this. Loneliness is hitting young people hardest, and they're treating connection like an actual health priority now. And researchers have a name for this exact flavor. Existential loneliness. Surrounded, included, even liked, and still fundamentally unknown. Contact, closeness, and feeling understood are cousins. Related, but not the same person. You can have a full house and an empty seat at the same time. So what do? Go make deeper friends is terrible advice. That's like saying just be taller. Here's some sauce. 3 moves, none of them dramatic. 1, pick one safe person, not the crowd. Don't go fixing your whole social life. Just upgrade one connection. Look for consistent, curious, about you. Doesn't make your stuff about them. Not the funniest, not the most popular. The one who's actually there. 2, go one level deeper. Just one. No 2 a.m. childhood confession needed. Take what you'd normally say and move it down 1 floor. Work was busy becomes, honestly, I felt kinda invisible in that meeting. Yeah, lol, becomes, honestly, not a great week. 1 floor down, that's where being known starts. The group chat throws confetti when you type lol and evacuates when a real feeling shows up. Let them evacuate. The right person stays in the room. 3, build a repeatable container. Don't wait for the perfect deep conversation. It won't come. A weekly walk, voice notes, a game, a you alive, check-in every Sunday. Familiarity isn't built in big moments. It's built in boring, repeatable ones. And one bonus, free of charge, tell people what you need. Can you just listen? And can you help me think this through? Are complete sentences. Half the time support feels wrong because nobody knew which job they were hired for. And real quick, the responsible thing, if the loneliness is heavy, constant, or messing with your safety, talk to a professional or a local support line. That's not a failure of the 3 moves. That's just a bigger job than a stick figure video. Look, the party isn't the problem. The memes are elite. Street Guest and I are basically family. But 1,000 people knowing your highlight reel will never do what one person knowing your Tuesday does. So don't burn the guest list. Pick one person. Go one floor deeper. Give it a time and a place. You only need one guest to actually see you for the whole room to feel different. And if your brain replays every conversation afterward, checking how you sounded, that's loud brain holding a meeting about the party. Watch why overthinking feels like solving the problem next. You've got this.